if you're struggling with a problem like number 20, where they're asking you to draw a function, where is it increasing and decreasing, and y has to be above the x-axis and below the x-axis, how do you put it all together? Well, an easy way to do this is, first of all, when it says that the function is increasing or decreasing, take all the numbers you see, such as 1 and -1, and draw vertical lines through those. That's going to set us up for how the function is rising and falling. Then next, go and remember, f of x is just the same thing as y. What you want to do is you want to find the numbers that they give you here, -1.5, 0, 1.5. These are the roots. This is where it's actually crossing. So I'm going to go to -1.5, put a dot there. I'm going to put an actual point at 0, and then I'm going to put a point at +1.5. Now, as long as I follow the rules that I have highlighted in pink and in green, and I make sure to contain the points that I put on the graph, I can actually draw this pretty easily. So it's increasing when x is smaller than -1. That's here to the left of this line. So it is increasing, so it's going to come from below, and then when it hits this line, it's going to turn around. It's also increasing when x is greater than 1. Well, if x is 1 is here, x is greater than 1 is on this side. So I just need to make sure I am increasing my function. So I'm going to start low and go high, and make sure, I'm going to have to do a little erase, and I'm going to make sure that I contain this point. Let's use the highlighter. Use this point. So then what we're going to do now is we're going to do the decreasing. The decreasing part is in between -1 and 1. Well, here's -1, here's x is 1. So all we have to do is now connect it. And there you are. If you want to make it a solid dark color, we could do that. I'm going to put it in this nice black, and I'm going to go up, go down through there, change direction, and now I'm set. And so now I can answer the questions. Well, what is the degree? Is it odd or is it even? Well, if the arms are going in two different directions, one is pointing down and one is pointing up, it's definitely odd. And then when it asks, is the leading coefficient positive or negative? Well, I know that it's positive because it starts low and goes high. If it were negative, I would have a reflection and it would go like this. So that's how you can make these move a little smoothly. First, put the vertical lines for the increasing and decreasing, then put actual points for where y is greater than 0 or less than 0, and then just kind of follow the instructions and make sure you pick up the points.